Introduce features interest and fast overview of XDL-POWER Cam for cars 1080p FHD camera. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. XDL-POWER Cam. Capture every moment. XDL-POWER's advanced dashboard camera engineered with a high-sensitivity sensor and a premium lens. Wide dynamic range technology, built-in G-sensor, record a beautiful, vivid picture of the road. Thanks to advanced sensor, the f/1.8 large aperture and WDR, or wide dynamic range, dashcam can still record full high-quality videos under low-light conditions. You will not fear driving at night anymore. Automatically captures unexpected driving accidents and saves video footage of the collision. Your safety and legal rights are always under protection. Adjustable sensibility, low, medium, high. This car driving recorder employs 170 degrees super wide-angle lens. Ultra-wide field of view reduces the blind spots and captures more details. With 3-inch large screen and updated FHD 1080p resolution, every part of your video looks amazing. You can clearly feel the brand new experience brought by the upgraded material. Dashboard camera will automatically record on 24-hour parking time, which protects your car from being scratched or stolen. Ensures your car's safety while it is parked. This function need to hardwire dashcam to car battery. WDR function can balance the strong light in day and low light in night to provide you more safer situation, and it needs to be used with car headlamp to ensure excellent performance when driving at night. If you want to get full highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.